While it's important to note that severe and chronic anxiety should be addressed by a mental health professional, there are several strategies that can help manage symptoms and promote better health. Please remember that these are not a cure for anxiety disorders, which often require professional treatment, but can be beneficial in managing the symptoms. Here are 5 steps you can start with. 1. Breathing and relaxation techniques. Start by learning deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or other relaxation techniques. These can help to slow your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and help you feel more calm and focused. Even simple acts like taking a few deep breaths can help to reduce feelings of anxiety. 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity is beneficial for mental health as it releases endorphins, natural mood boosters, and helps to break the cycle of worry by refocusing your mind on your body. Try to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking or cycling, most days of the week. 3. Healthy diet and sleep. What you eat and how well you sleep can significantly impact how well you can cope with anxiety. Avoid high sugar, high-fat foods, as they can increase your body's stress response. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve the quality of your sleep. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you focus on the present moment, which can reduce the worrying that often accompanies anxiety. There are numerous mindfulness exercises and meditation techniques you can learn, many of which can be found online or through apps. Even spending a few minutes each day focusing on your breath and the sensations in your body can make a big difference. 5. Professional help. If your anxiety is overwhelming or preventing you from living your life the way you'd like, seek help from a mental health professional. Therapists and psychiatrists can provide strategies to manage anxiety, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, or medication if necessary. If you're in crisis, reach out to a crisis hotline in your country. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with anxiety is unique, and what works well for one person may not work as well for another. Be patient with yourself, and remember that it's okay to ask for help.